Using a vibrating roller is loud.
My feet are just getting numb.
But using a vibrating roller with a T-Tach on your skid steer isn't so loud. The T-Tach absorbs sound and shock from your attachments to protect your skid steer from shaking and damage. Help your equipment last longer and perform better with the new MUSKOX T-Tach torsion attachment, backed by our 30-day operator demo guarantee. Buy it, try it, and if you don't love it, we'll buy it back at full price. Guaranteed.